Mastering the business model canvas for startup success. Are you struggling to turn your startup idea into a practical, scalable business? The business model canvas is your ultimate tool to simplify this process. It's a visual one-page framework that helps you map out and refine your game plan, ensuring no critical element is overlooked. The business model canvas is built around 9 essential sections. Start with your value proposition. What makes your product or service genuinely unique? Next, identify your customer segments. Who are you serving and what are their pains or needs? Your revenue streams and cost structure work together to clarify how you'll make money and manage expenses. Don't forget channels. How will you deliver your value to customers? Consider key activities, key partnerships, and key resources to define the vital steps, allies, and assets your business will need. Finally, focus on the customer relationships. How will you attract, retain, and delight your customers? The strength of the business model canvas lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It transforms complex business planning into a clear visual representation. Not only does it save you time, but it also sharpens your understanding of your startup's strengths, weaknesses, and growth opportunities. Imagine you're launching a fitness app. Your value proposition could be personalized workout plans, while your customer segments might include busy professionals. Revenue comes from subscriptions, partnerships with gyms act as key partners, and your app channels are through app stores or social media platforms. Now you're starting to see the connections and your path forward. Ready to create a stronger foundation for your startup? Download a business model canvas template, grab your team, and map out your vision today. Don't just dream, design. If this helped you, like and share for more practical insights, and let's turn your ideas into market success.